We were gonna go out there. We want her in the kitchen or in the breezeway.
In the breezeway, but...
Move, move. Hi, Billy.
Hello, dear.
Come on out, Nona.
Hey.
Ah, watch out.
Aren't you glad I locked the screen door?
Yes, yes. Well, this is a nice video. Hey, hey,
No,
hey.
no.
Stay away from the birds.
Oh, you want some granola?
Yeah, we got you.
Oh, you got both of them on her.
You little rascal. Hold on. I'm not. She's coming out. Run, Billy, run!
Don't even think about the dog.
No, get a toy, Billy.
Ouch! Oh, be careful with Nana.
Get a toy.
Where's your toy?
Which toy should we
toy?
do?
Do we want the really loud one?
Yeah, where is the really loud one?
What are we gonna do?
Say hi, Nana. Nana. Say hi. Say hi.
Hello. No, I haven't got it. No.
I'm sorry.
No.
Why don't you want to play? Come on.
I don't hear you out here. Listen to me.
You want to play with this one? Ooh. Bless you.
Thank you.
Okay, let's play with some treats. Let's play with some treats. That'll get your attention.
Bailey, she's got your bag open.
Silly.
Aww. She's waiting for her beautiful treat.
Oh, let's do some jumping with... Oh. Let's do some... Let's do some jumping with her. No, don't tell her.
Tell her.
Oh, no. My treat. Okay, sit. We didn't get you in there. Sit. Good catch. Okay, put your arms up. Bailey, jump. Oh, don't fall. Up. Okay, Bailey. Hold on, Hannah. Over here. Come on. Good girl.
Oh my goodness. Come here, baby. Baby.
Stop trying to steal the treat. Get up. Oh, I missed.
But
But
yeah,
yeah.
head ducks.
Sorry.
No.
Bailey, come here. Try to raise your arms because you're short. So much of a challenge for her. Bailey. Keep going. Go up. Okay, ready? Bailey, sit. Paw. Bailey. Bailey, look over here. Say hi to the camera. Wave. Wave, Bailey. Paw. Oh, good enough.
Oh.
There you go.
Well, where did you get that?
Bailey.